Hey guys, so just received another pack from banggood.com, and this is more RC stuff. Let's just open it and see what's inside. I wish this was the KK2 board, which I'm waiting, but that's from a different site, so it's not. Well, okay, so a whole new bunch of heatshrink tubing. This one I have here, and this is empty. XT60 connectors, a pack of 5, which I will be using to solder on these battery packs. These are 3-cell battery packs that I just made out from my old used laptop battery. These are Leon 18650 batteries, and so I have 3 cells. Each one of them has 2 in parallel. Already have here the balance plug, and right now I'm gonna be soldering these XT60s on this side, just to try and make them a bit like this one that I already have done. This is a 2-cell. These are mostly to power RC receivers, to do just tests on the bench, and they are not very good for flying, but okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Later on we'll be doing another video on how to solder this. Okay. See ya.